Git checkout does two completely different things, and that confusion is entirely by design. Git checkout has always been overloaded with two separate responsibilities. First, it switches branches. Run git checkout main and you jump to the main branch. Second, it restores files. Run git checkout -- filename and you discard your local changes to that file, replacing it with the version from your last commit. One command, two completely different jobs. Git restore was created to handle only the file restoration side of things. Run git restore filename and it discards your working tree changes, just like checkout used to. Run git restore -- stale name and it unstages changes you have added but not yet committed. Git restore has no concept of branches. It is purely about managing your working tree and staging area. Git 2.23, released in 2019, introduced git restore and git switch, specifically to split checkout's overloaded responsibilities into clearer, more intuitive commands. One key thing checkout can still do that restore cannot: creating new branches with checkout -b for everything else, file restoration and unstaging. Git restore is now the preferred tool. Use git restore for file changes and unstaging, and git checkout or git switch for branches. Each command now has a clear, single purpose. Ready to practice for your next interview? Interview Mentor lets you answer real questions just like this one. After each answer, you get a detailed grade and personalized tips to improve. Watch your scores climb as you keep practicing.